Hello everyone, it's my immense pleasure to teach you all about a new approach in mathematics that is none other than the Vedic mathematics. Right, here in Vedic mathematics, this is a new, although it was not a new approach, but has come into vogue in the early 90s. Okay, this is a great boon for the world of mathematics, the Vedic mathematics. It has given us an abundance of lot of knowledge to the world of mathematics. Now, what is this Vedic mathematics? The introduction, the brief history and the techniques we are going to learn in this video session. Now, let's get started. Vedic mathematics. By the word Vedic itself, here it was being derived from the word Vaidika. Okay, this is a Sanskrit word, Vaidika. That again, this word is derived from the word Veda, which we know. We know all the four Vedas, the Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda and the Atharvana Veda. All these Vedas. Now, what we mean by the Veda? It is the knowledge. Okay? Veda is the knowledge. So, Vedic mathematics is a new approach into the world of mathematics wherein the knowledge is being included here. Now, here this Vedic mathematics was being given by great Swamiji, Swami Bharatiya Krishna Tirthaji. Bharatiya Krishna Tirthaji. He is called the founder of the Vedic mathematics. He is also called the father of the Vedic mathematics because 99.5% of his contributions are in the Vedic mathematics. So, this Swamiji, Bharatiya Krishna Tirthaji, he was born in 1884 and was expired in 1960. Now, he had written few books like books regarding this Vedic mathematics. Altogether, it was given in the history that 16 books were written by the Swamiji in his age in the year 1911 to 1918. But we are very unfortunate that all these 16 books were lost. So, we don't have that knowledge of those 16 books. Later on, Swamiji, in his olden age, in year 1958, he had written a biggest volume of Vedic mathematics called as Vaidika Ganitam. So, this means Vaidika Ganitam. This is nothing but the Sanskrit word for Vedic mathematics. Now, it is found that the Swamiji has derived this Vedic mathematics, has been given this Vedic mathematics from the taking the reference of the Atharvana Veda, the fourth Veda, that is the Atharvana Veda, wherein we have the architecture, economics, science and technology and mathematics in the fourth Veda. So, from that Atharvana Veda, Swamiji has derived the Vaidika Ganitam, Vedic mathematics. So, in his olden age, he had written this book, and now what we are following, the Vedic maths, is a product of the Vaidika Ganitam. This is a huge abundance of the knowledge, the Vaidika Ganitam. Right. Here, Swamiji had given in his book, he had given this, he had written altogether 29 sutras. Now, what do you mean by sutra? Sutra is nothing but, sutras are nothing but formulae. Right, formulae. Swamiji had given 16 sutras and 13 upasutras, that means sub-sutras. These are nothing but the corollaries of the sutras, the corollaries of the theorems, right? So altogether, Swamiji had given 29 sutras in his book, wherein it had covered from the basics to the higher order mathematics. That's why in the beginning I have told that this is a boon to the world of mathematics. So learning the Vedic mathematics, it is highly useful for all of us here. Now, who have to learn this Vedic mathematics? Now, all the children, all the students can be benefited by Vedic mathematics apart from the age, right? And all the teachers who are the math lovers and all other teachers regarding the science, regarding the architecture, regarding the language, everyone, for everyone, Vedic mathematics is a boon, like, right? And also for the students who are, I'm not telling only few students, the school students, but it is a very, very important techniques wherein we have all the 29 sutras, all the techniques wherein they are involved with a fast and smart calculation techniques were included in all these sutras. Now, here in our journey of Vedic mathematics, I will be teaching you all those techniques line wise, right? Now, if we are also having these 29 sutras, or above all, these 29 sutras are interrelated to one another till the higher order mathematics. Now the researchers are going on this. In the late 1990s, we were doing the research and we were using the Vedic mathematics. Now here, let's get started with, quickly pause the video and note down the history, and this is a brief introduction. Just note it down, pause the video and note it down. Let's start the first technique that is involving the basic concepts, that is the addition. Okay, right. Now, the benefits of Vedic mathematics I would like to ponder upon. The benefits are that all the age students, right from the early ages to the higher levels, all the age students are benefited with these Vedic mathematics techniques. And the students who are appearing for the competitive exams, from like for the government sector, you have NMMS and also the Navodaya, and later in the later stages you will be having railway recruitment boards and many more, the TET exams till the GRE exam, that will be after the engineering, right? So I mean to tell that all the competitive exams wherein arithmetic is a major part playing. So in arithmetics and algebra, Vedic mathematics is giving us a good solutions wherein we are going to do a fast and a smart techniques so that we can do them in split seconds rather than the conventional mathematical methods. So this is highly useful for all the sects, right? And also for this for the math lovers who are very much interested to enhance their knowledge for the higher order maths, for them also it is highly useful. And also for the students who are feeling a bit difficult in mathematics, like they are feeling a phobia towards mathematics, this is a beautiful and it is a good techniques wherein if you learn these techniques, the phobia is being eliminated and eradicated. Like you will try to love the subject, right? So it is highly beneficial. And now let's get started with the basic concept, that is addition. Now here in Vedic mathematics, let's get started with the journey of this Vedic mathematics, right? Now in this addition, now I call it as spark addition. We know that what is addition? Addition is summing of the numbers. So I am calling here it as spark addition because in split seconds we can do these additions, so which will minimize our time. Okay, now so that's called as spark additions. Now additions are a base for all. Now here in subtractions, when I am going to tell you subtractions, there also we will be involving additions only. And multiplications, you know that repeated additions are nothing but multiplications, and without the knowledge of multiplications we cannot do the divisions. So I mean to tell that additions are very important and they form a base to all the four mathematical operations. Now if you are strong and perfect in additions, you can solve all the other problems. Now, if you start with the additions, now let me take, before going into the new technique of Vedic mathematics, before introducing the additions, I would like to give a few terminology. Now, when we are learning a new concept, we need to know the terminology involved there. Okay, the terminology involved here is carry combination, right? Carry combination. That means we are all aware of carry in our additions. That means a two-digit number. When two single-digit numbers are summed up, like 5 plus 7. Let me take 5 plus 7. That comes to 12. Okay, that means it is a two-digit number more than 10. So this is called as a carry combination. Okay, simple as any other thing. So carry means, that means a two-digit number more than 10, right? And to the contrary, we have non-carry combinations. Non-carry combination. This is a terminology. We know this, but we are using it here. Non-carry. That means the single-digit numbers. Look, the same way, if I take 5 plus 3, it comes to 8. So this is non-carry combination. All the numbers from 1 to 9 are non-carry combinations. So this is one terminology. Now, the next terminology is the end number. So here, what is the end number? The word itself, end number means the last number. So the number, if it is a two-digit number, the units place number is called as the end number. If it is a three-digit number, the units place, the last one, the units place number is called as the end number. Now, end number concept here, if you are telling about the end number, let me take the same example, 5 plus 7. So this comes to 12, but we should not remember 12, just we have to add it 12, but we have to tell out as the end number only, asked as 2. Okay, now I'm not writing is equal to, 5 plus 7 is not equal to 2, but the end number in this combination is 2. Likewise, so 9 plus 8, the end number, please, the end number here is 7. The sum is 17, but the end number only concept I am writing. Likewise, 8 plus 6, the end number is 4. So likewise, 9 plus 0, here it is a single digit number, so the end number obviously is 9. Likewise, let me take 7 plus 9, the end number is 6. Okay, the end number is nothing but the number in the units place. So this is the terminology for knowing the additions. Okay, now here we will start with the basics. A double digit number, a single digit and a single digit, we know we get a carry combination. Okay, or a non-carry combination also we get, right? And now I'll start with a double digit plus a single digit number. Okay, let me start with the basics, right? Now let me take 3, 6 plus, okay, 9. This is a double digit with a single digit. Now let's start the additions. Now here, before going to the Vedic maths is the calculations, the techniques and the calculations involving from left to right. We do go from left to right here. Okay, 99% of the calculation, 99, okay, percent of the calculation starts from left to right, wherein in our conventional methods we go from right to left, isn't it? So here from left to right, and also Vedic maths is will increase the mind power, and also it is called as a logical method. Right, now let's get started with this problem. 36 plus 9. Here I have to start from the left. Okay, so I'll drop this 3 down here. Okay, now here 6 plus 9, you know that it is 15. Okay, but before doing that, let me see whether this is a carry combination or a non-carry combination. Okay, so here this is surely a carry combination. By just seeing it, we can tell that this is a carry combination, Right. Whenever the next digit is a carry combination, the before one, the number before the next digit, this must be increased by 1. Okay. If it is a carry combination. If it is a non-carry combination, no need of increasing. So, and drop the end number here. The end number is 5. Okay, 15. 9 plus 6 is 15. Carry. So, only the end number I am dropping. So, here the answer is 45. So, just for illustration, I am doing this much big. But all this must be done in your mind. Okay, and with the practice, you will get it. Now, let's get started with non-carry combination. Now, here, let me take the same number 36, but I'll take, okay. So here from left to right, again I'll drop 3. Here this is a non-carry combination, just 9. I'm not adding 1 to the previous number. Okay, here directly what you do in the convention method. Here what am I doing? I'm adding this 1. So this sutra here, this is the first sutra given by, in the 16 main sutras given by the Swamiji. It is called as Ekadikena Purvena. This looks very simple, but this sutra is been involved in the higher order mathematics. Everywhere we keep on using this. What does this mean? Eka means 1. Adhikena means increasing. Purvena to the before number. So this is a Sanskrit word. 1 you have to add to the before number. That it means. Okay. So when do you do this Ekadikena Purvena? When it is a carry combination. Okay. When the next digit is a carry combination, you do Ekadikena Purvena. That means you are adding simply 1. Okay, right. If it is a non-carry combination, nothing. We are just writing the same numbers as it is. Now, let me explain you with another example. This is all illustration. Okay, right. 49. Let me add 5. Now, start from left. 4. But this is carry combination. So, 4. But when I am telling but, that means increase to another 1. Okay, 4 but 5 I written because this is a carry combination and this end number is just 4. Right. So what am I doing? All this process I have done in the mind and I have written. So in split seconds you can do it. Likewise, if I take a 3-digit number, let me take a 3-digit number. See here, 3, 8, 4. 3-digit number with a 2-digit number, 5 and 7. Right. Here. Now, let's start the 3-digit with a 2-digit number. Here. Now, starting from left. Okay. 3. But because the next number is a carry combination clearly. So, but means I will be increasing to 1. So, 4. 3 but 4 and the end number is 3. But again 4 and the end number is 1. So, 441 is the answer. Okay, this is a fast and a smart way of calculating the additions. Now let me take another example. 4, 9, 6, 40, 46 right here. This comes to 441 here. Now, so I've taken a combination of non-carry and carry combination right here. 4. I'm not telling but because next numbers are not carry, they are non-carry. So as it is, 4 will be 4. Now here 7, but here carry combination, it becomes 8. Now the end number here is 5. 4, 8, 5. So the concept of carry, non-carry and the end number. That's it. You can proceed to any digit to the any digit. Quickly pause and note it down. We will do the additions of n digit numbers. Now, we have seen the 3-digit with a double digit with a single digit. So, likewise, we can do the additions, the spark additions from any digit to the any digit. Now, let me take one more example for you to make you understand. 4, 6, 3, 8, 9, okay, 7. Right here, 3, so 8, 9, 7, 3, 4, okay. right? Let me add this, any digit to any digit, right? Here, likewise, the same method. So we have the concept of carry combination, non-carry combination, and the end number. And when are we going to use the ekadikena purvena? That means one more to the previous number. We have to add one more to the previous number when the next number is a carry combination. Right, here, let us get started. Now here, 4 but 5. Here end number is 4 but 5. Okay. Now here end number is 2 but 3. Now here end number is 5 but 6. Now here end number again is 2 but 3. Now here end number is 1. That's it. This is the answer. Okay. What I've done here, I have to drop 4, but this is carry, so I've increased 1. So 5. Now here the end number is 4, but this is carry, so it becomes to 5. Now here the end number is 2, but this is carry combination, so it becomes 3. Now here end number is 5, the 5, so it is carry, so increase to 1. Now end number is 2, it is carry, next number is carry, so increase to 1, and this end number will drop out. This is that. So within split seconds we can calculate. Now I am going to tell you that a special case like this we can do as many examples as we want. While doing the competitive exams, we don't have time there. We will be having very less time, so that you can do it in your mind and just add it and keep it there. Now here we are doing like this in a vertical way. Now if you take in a horizontal way, if I take 123 plus 38, okay, 38, right? So this horizontal way, how do we do this? How do we do this? Using the Vedic mathematics. Now what we do here, you take the first 2 digits, add it to the first digit of the second number, so this comes to 15. Now the second combination here, 8 and 3, is a carry combination. Whenever you get a carry combination, you have to increase it with 1, the before digit. Okay, so 12 plus 3 is 15, so it is increased to 16. Now the end number for these two is 1. That's it. Okay. Now let me take another one, 438 plus 46, right? Triple digit with a double digit. Now what I have to do? You have to take the first 2 digits, add it with this, and see whether that the next one is a carry combination. Now 43 plus 4, 47, but 48. And 864 end number. So 484. Let me check out, wait. 43 plus 4, 47. 47 is increased to 48. The end number is here 4. Right. So 484. Likewise. And if there is a 143 plus 129. Okay. This is a triple digit and triple digit. So here if it is a triple and double, I have taken like this and it. But a triple digit, you have to take every digit. Now hundreds place to hundreds place, tens place to tens place, and to the units place separately. Okay. Now let's start. 1 and 1 comes to 2. But the next combination is not non-carry. So 2 as it is. Here 6. 4 plus 2, 6. But the next combination is carry. It comes to 7. Now the end number of 9 and 3 is 2. Okay. So 272. Likewise. So what I've done this too. I've done this and I've done this. The way. Okay. But just see the carry combination. Then you have to increase 1. If it is non-carry, drop it as it is. Likewise. So any digit with any digit, you can do vertical additions or the horizontal additions. So this is a spark additions. Now let us quickly discuss about a special case here. A special case in such additions. So in any technique there will be some exceptions, right? So this is an exception, a special case. Now special case I called it as because now if I take 4, 6, 3, 8, 9, so on and so forth. Now here if the combination here is 2, 6, 9 and 7. Okay. So let me add this. So why am I calling this as a special case in addition? Because in between the numbers, if the sum is equal to 9, So if this the sum of 6 and 3 is 9, okay, in between numbers, not in the front, not in the back. Front and the back, if they are there, that is not considered as special case. We can do it in the normal method. This, if it comes in between, so this is called a special case, because if the next number, so we are always dependent on the next digit, isn't it? The next number is a carry. Now here, to decide 6 plus 3 is 9, to decide whether this is carry or non-carry, it will be depending on the next one. Next one is a carry combination, okay, right? See, this is a carry combination. Then that carry combination will be carried forward to the 6 and 3 also. Okay, that is only a special case. Why we are taking this as special case? Because here it is 9. The next number is a carry. Carry means obviously 1 will come to the next number. So adding this, you are getting carry. That means 1 will be added to the next number. So if you add just 1, this 9 will become a double digit number. Okay, it will become a double digit number. So double digit means it's carry combination. So if you are writing it as a non-carry, it will not work out. If you write it with a carry combination only, it will work out, because adding simple 1, it becomes a carry combination. So in case of 9, not only 3 and 6, any combination, 2 plus 7, 9 plus 0, 8 plus 1, any combination, any combination here. 4 plus 5, okay, any combination of 9 if you get in between the numbers. So you see the next number, if it is carry, this 9 also is a carry. The next number, if it is a non-carry, no problem. If it is a non-carry, just go by the original methods. Okay, if it is non-carry, there is no problem. You can do as the same as you have done in the previous one. The special case is that when you get the sum as 9 and the next digit is a carry, then you have to consider this as a carry combination. Considering this as carry combination means what? What you do? For the before number, you have to do ekadikena purvena. That means you have to add 1. So let's start with this number. Now here 4. Not but here 4 as it is, because the next combination is non-carry. Okay. So what is a non-carry here? Just you add 8, isn't it? Now here the next number is carry or non-carry. I don't know, because this is sum is 9. So I'll check the next number. This is carry. So obviously this becomes carry. If it is carry, what should we do? For the before number, you should add 1. So 8 becomes 9. Right. Now here, now you get this is 9. Isn't it? 9, and this is again carry combination. This 9, if you add 1, it becomes 10, right? So 0, and this the end number you drop here. This is 7, but here carry combination, this becomes 8. Now the end number is 6, so it becomes 49086. Okay, so this is the sum. Only when the sum is 9 followed by a carry combination, that is called as a special case, right? Rest others are only general cases, like we have to do, seeing the carry combination, we have to do ekadikena purvena, that means adding 1, that's all. If it is a non-carry combination, no adding 1, just drop the numbers as it is. Okay, please note it down, and I'll be dealing with another concept, right? Now the next concept in additions is the line addition. It is also called as dropping tens method, and in Sanskrit, in the Vedic mathematics, it is called as the dashamshaha. This method is very useful for when the additions are in a line addition method or the dropping tens method. This is called as the dashamshaha in the Vedic mathematics. Now let's get started with this new concept. Okay, now if I take an addition, a series of a line of additions, let me take 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I've taken a line in random. I haven't remembered this. In random, I've taken the numbers. Now let's add these numbers. So they are in line, so it is called as a line addition method. And why it is called dashamshaha and dropping tens method, I'll tell you. Now here in additions we do from top to bottom, but here we are in Vedic maths, we are going to do from the bottom to the top. Now let's get started. Now I will do this without explaining you the method. I will do this, just calculate the time. Okay, just calculate how much time it is taking for us to the convention method. Okay, just for comparing, let me do here. Okay, likewise, that means only split seconds we get, but I'll explain you the method here once. Now here, why am I placing these bars, the dashes? That means I want to remember them. I will be dropping 110. To remember that I'm dropping 110, I'll be placing these bars here. Okay, now I've placed these bars and I've got the number. Okay, like I'll tell you. Now here, let's get started from the bottom. Now 7 plus 6, 13. So 13, I will not remember 13, but I'll drop a 10 and I'll remember the end number, that is 3. So by dropping 10, I'll place 3 here dash and 3 here. 3 will be added to 8. 8 plus 3 comes to 11. So drop 10, 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. So for 8 I'm not writing a dash. 8 itself. Okay, 8 and 9 comes to 17. Drop 10. Remember 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. Drop 10. Remember 5. 5 plus 7, 12. Drop 10, 2. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 here as it is. No writing dash. 8 plus 4 is 12. So here also I'm dropping 10. I got 2. This 2 will be written here. This is, for our sum, the units place is 2. Now, how many 10s I have dropped? I don't remember, but I have placed a bars here. Now, quickly count the bars. 2, 4, 6. So, 62. Now, counting the bars also, we have to do it in a fast way. Don't count 1, 2, 3 like this. 2 at a time. See, 2, 4, 6. 62 is the final answer. So this is the illustration. Now let's get started. Again I'll tell you, taking another example. 7, 8, 5, 4, 3, 6, 9, 8. Okay, let us add. Now here, this line addition, if there are in also 3, like 3-digit numbers in a line. So we can do the same method for each line you have to add going. That also I'll be telling you. Now let's get started from the bottom. 8 plus 9, 17, drop 10, 7. I'm also not writing here. 7 plus 6, 13. So drop 10, 3. 3, 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Drop 10, 0. When you get 0, so 0 plus a number comes the same number. So when you get 0, start freshly. Okay. 5 plus 8, 13. So 3. 3 plus here 7. 10. Okay. 10 means I've dropped 10. But the 0 is remained here. So 110 I've dropped. But 0 is there in the units place. Here 0 is there. So this will be our sums units place. The sum of these numbers. Now how many 10s I've dropped? See 2 plus 4 plus 1, 5, 50. The answer is 50. Check out using the conventional method also. So what I did here, I'm also not writing the numbers. Okay, I'm adding in the mind itself. So 8 plus 9, 17. So drop 10, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. Drop 10, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6. I'm not dropping anything here. 6 plus 4, 10. So drop 10, so 0. When you get 0, you can start freshly. Or else if you are getting confused, 0 plus 5, 5. Okay, 5 plus 8, 13. Drop 10, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. Drop 10. After dropping 10, you have a 0. That's 0. At last, what number you get, that is the units place of the sum. And how many 10s you have dropped? Just count the dashes. That too in a fast way. That's 2 plus 2 plus 1, 5. So 5. This is the answer. The sum is 50. So let us do for 2 patterns. Now we are taking 78, 69, 38, 44, 56. Likewise. Okay. Now here if you have two patterns, like here you are having lines of 2. If you are doing in the same method, there are two methods to solve these problems. So the first method until we have to start with the right. Okay, this first method, no, I told that we are doing Vedic maths from left to right 99%, right? In few concepts we are going from right to left also. So here doing from left to right is also a method is there, and from right to left also one method is there. So I'll tell you, we'll start from this, from right we'll start, that too from the bottom. 8 plus 6 14, 4 4 8, 8 plus 8 16, 6 plus 8 14, 4 plus 9 13, so 3. That means, so I get 3. The last one is 3. So how many I dropped? 4. So 43 is the answer. That 4 you can carry over here. If you don't write it in the tens place, because we are having another line to be added. So that 4 is the carryover. Now 4 plus 7 is 11. Drop 10. 1. Drop 10. 1. 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 4 10. So 0. Start freshly again. 3 plus 7 10. Okay, start freshly. It is 6 here. So the number is 6. Now how many tens have dropped? 3. So the answer is 363. That's it. Okay, this is a method from, what am I telling here, right to left. If you are going from left to right, the same one I would like to explain you here. The same numbers. Let's write the same numbers. Now 69, 78, 38, 44, 56, 78. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have taken 6. Now let's start from the right here. Here you write the right, and you can keep it a dash here and use the balancing method here. Now here 7 plus 5 12. Okay. Drop 10 2. 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 3 9. Okay. 9 plus 7 16. Drop 10 6. 6 plus 6 12. Drop 10 2 here. So here the units place 2. Now how many tens have dropped? 3. So 32. For the line addition, this is 32. Okay. And the next one. Now here I am doing from left to right. Right? Here. Now the next one here, 8 plus 6 14, drop 10 4, 4 4 8, 8 plus 8 16, drop 10 6. Okay, 6 plus 8 14, drop 10 4, 4 plus 9 13. So drop 10 3. So 1 2 3 4 4 43. So again the answer is not 3243 here. I've written a line here. We are starting from left to right, isn't it? From left to right here. Wherein here we have done from right to left. Okay, here, there I've written the carry, but here we will go for the balancing rule. Now what this balancing rule tells us? This is called carryover rule or the balancing rule, which we will be using in Vedic mathematics. Balancing rule or the carryover rule. So balancing is nothing but you have to drop the units place. The tens place you will be adding to the next number. So adding 4 to 2 comes to 6. Now write 3. So I have applied the balancing rule here. We will be using vividly in the journey of Vedic mathematics this balancing rule or the carryover rule. Now anything, for example, for you to understand, if I get 36, 43, if there are series of numbers, I will be getting some answer like this. So how do I balance? Now write 3 as it is. Here add this units, tens place to the units place comes to 8. Now this 4 comes to here. It becomes 4 plus 6 10. That means 36 plus 4 is 40. So 0 and 4. So the answer is 4. This is called the balancing rule. Okay, so there are two methods for line addition. You can take 3 lines, you can take 4 lines, whatever it is. If you are doing it from the right side, you have to keep a carry, and if you are doing it from left, you write it like this. Then the next step you get the answer, that is by balancing it. So likewise we can do this is called as dashamshaha, because 1 dashamsha means 10. So dropping 10, 110 we have dropped. To remember that I have been placing the bars here to remember it. So this will take, you can check out well for the convention method how much time it is taken and how much time it, and here for all of you over there, I'm telling you the practice makes everyone perfect. So learn the technique, do practice it. So you will be getting it much faster. So with this I'll be ending the additions now. In the next concept, in the next video, we will be looking about the subtractions. It is a very useful techniques in subtractions where the Vedic mathematics has proven. Right? Okay, thank you all.